You know, God's presence is so powerful right now in my backyard. And I'll tell you why. So I'm sitting in my backyard, drinking my coffee and reading the Bible, reading Psalm 104. And I just want you to meditate on these words I'm going to read. It starts in Psalm 104, verse 12. First of all, I'm going to talk about 104, verse 1. Bless the Lord, O my soul. O Lord my God, you are very great. You are clothed with honor and majesty. Okay, now we're going to go over to verse 12. By them, okay, God's talking about sending springs of water. By them, the birds of the heavens have their home. They sing among the branches, which is what they're doing right now in my tree. He waters the hills from the upper chambers. The earth is satisfied with the fruit of your works. He causes the grass to grow for the cattle and vegetation for the service of man, that he may bring forth food from the earth. So you look out there, see the farmland down there. You got a hillside here. You've got all that farmland down there. That's Elk River Road out there. That's all farmland. See how great the grass is growing out there? This is like, who in their right mind would deny that there is a creator God, who created all of this for our enjoyment? Anyway, just something I've been meditating on.